In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free shipping on any Cnfans order. Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'm going to show you the better ways to get free shipping on any Cnfans order. If you're tired of extra fees, follow these easy steps to save money. Let's get started. First is to look for free shipping promotions. Check the Cnfans homepage for banners or special offers. They often run promotions during big sales, even like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or Chinese New Year. Second is to join the Cnfans membership program. Sign up for their loyalty program if only available, and members sometimes get exclusive free shipping deals on selected orders. Third step is to use free shipping coupons. Search for the free shipping coupons on Cnfans' official website or their newsletter, or also on their social media channels, and follow for their updates. Fourth is to bundle your orders. Combine multiple items into a single shipment. Larger orders often qualify for discounted or free shipping. Fifth is to refer friends for rewards. Some platforms offer referral programs for friends and earn free shipping rewards. Sixth step is to contact customer support. If you're unsure about current offers, message Cnfans support to ask about ongoing free shipping deals. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you into the next one. Thank you so much for watching.